Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. I already gelled my hair down prior to coming on camera because I want my hair to be nice and flat under my wig. So that's what I did, and then I tied down and let it dry. I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil onto my edges because it definitely needs some love. I'm not gonna be gluing my wig down in this area, but nevertheless, I'm gonna give my scalp, my edges love whenever I can, especially because I just washed my hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my stocking cap on. I'm not gonna be gluing it down because I'm not doing a ball cap. I'm just gonna put my wig on top of my stocking cap. That's it. The wig I'm gonna be installing today is from UNice. It's in this box and I'm about to open it up to show you guys what I have in there. This is a snakeskin headband I got. I got this little bag with a few more things in it. I got one of those elastic bands that you use to tie your edges down when you're, laying them, whatever, with their name on it. I also got this makeup brush right here and I really like it, I must say, so I'm gonna be using this definitely. They also sent me this really cute pink bonnet that I'm definitely gonna be using. And they sent me these lashes, of course. And last but not least, they sent me a wig cap. And this is the wig they sent me, guys. I have to say, this lace on this wig is everything. And you will see when I put it on. But anyway, it's a 5x5 body wave wig. And it has a piece of lace in the back, a clip in the back, and 2 clips in the side. It came pre-bleached and the length of it is 24 inches. The hair is super soft. As you can see, I'm just gliding my finger through it like butter. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on just so I can see what it is that I need to do to it to customize it to my liking. Okay, so I noticed I'm gonna need to tone down the color of the stocking cap, so I'm gonna get right to that by using some foundation on it. And the foundation that I'm gonna be using today is my CoverGirl foundation that I don't use on my skin. I just use it on my stocking cap whenever I do my lace wigs. This foundation is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, so that's the reason why I use it for this purpose and this purpose only. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fix this wig onto my head how I want it. To fix my wig in place today, I'm going to be using my Ultra Got To Be Glued styling gel. I'm going to go ahead and apply some onto my skin right here. And then I'm just going to put the lace down on it and dry it with my blow dryer. So here we go. I'm just drying it a little bit before putting the lace down on it. And then I'm going to put the lace down on it and dry it some more. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pull the lace down on the gel and hold it in place and dry it. Right now I'm just combing back any flyaway hair that I may have because I don't want them to get caught on the gel and be stuck down on it or on the lace when the gel is dry. I also added some freeze spray just to make sure that this wig don't go nowhere. Now I'm going to tie it down and let it dry some. And the elastic band I'm using to tie it down is from UNice, of course. It came with the hair and I showed it to you guys earlier. I'm going to go ahead and add some of my wax stick from Edge Effect on it now. This, along with the hot comb that I'm going to be using on it soon, is going to help to keep this part of my hair nice and flat. When you first get the hair, this is something that you need to do to tame the root of it, or else you're not going to like the way it looks. It's not going to lay flat, but if you do this, you're going to get it how you want it. Now I'm going to use the hot comb to go through it and, you know, kind of press it down. The heat is going to help to do that. And I'm going to keep doing this until I feel satisfied with the way it looks. I also added some of the foundation on my parting just to brighten it up a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and I'm doing it kind of like in a zigzag mode. I'm adding some more gel on the edges of the lace just to seal any lifting. After I did this, y'all, the lace completely disappeared. I am not even kidding. Now I'm gonna take out a little something just to make some edges, but this I did not have to do. I could have skipped this step because the lace was completely invisible. This was really not needed. What I'm doing here is I'm taking out a small piece in the front to make a braid. For some reason I was feeling like doing this style, so I went ahead and do it. Now I'm gonna add some of this onto my hair. It's my Pantene hydrating cream, and this is gonna give it like a little bit of a wet look, a beachy summer vibesy kind of look, you know what I'm saying? At this point, all that's left to do is fix my edges and do my makeup, and I will be back with the finished look. This is it, guys. I added some hair jewelry and now I'm feeling like the diva I am. The hair is nice and full, have just the right amount of curls to it, and it's really soft, so there's nothing not to like about this hair. And to add to that, the lace is HD, and when they said HD, they really meant it, not like some other hair I've seen before. I absolutely love these two braids I did in the front. They give it this really nice goddess look to it. Definitely make sure you go check out UNice for one of these units because I promise you're gonna love it. Also, they are on Amazon, so if you have Prime membership, you will definitely get your package in 2 days. Who do not like 2-day shipment? As usual, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.